Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you a different kind of video on my channel like I've never done before. I was just cooking actually for myself, then I noticed that there aren't a lot of videos, or let's say there aren't a lot of good videos on how to cook Turkish style cabbage, so I wanted to show it to you as well. I love it so much, especially on winter. As I've said 1 billion times before, you are going to have the best and the perfect result when you use the products when they are on their seasons. And now we are in sort of in winter, so cabbages are perfect, especially in Turkey. I'm sure in your country too. So it's a perfect time to take advantage from them. Also, it's perfect because it's prepared only with a few ingredients as you see on the screen right now. So let's get started. I already got everything prepared here, so I'm just going to be cooking in this video. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna wait only a few seconds until it gets a bit hot. It's been 30-40 seconds, so I can add the onions now. Add them like this. This is a weird angle, I know. Saute the onions for about 2 minutes until they are transparent. Onions are ready to continue now, so what I'm gonna add now is some sun-dried tomatoes and sun-dried peppers, only a few from each. I soak them in some boiling water for almost 10 minutes. You might think that they already are going to get soaked during cooking, but when they sun-dry them, even though they put a cloth on them, as they dry they get super sticky. Dust, germs and all this sort of bad stuff that you do not want to eat go stuck on them. This is why it's, I think, good to soak them in water before cooking with them. So I am going to get rid of the water and then I'm going to continue. By the way, I cut all of them into thin stripes. As I cut the cabbage, we are going to see in a minute. So just give them a stir, quick stir. Now add 1 large tomato that is cut into cubes. Give another stir and let them cook for a few minutes. And in this step we can add the spices as well. 1 pinch of black pepper. I don't want to add too much, I don't want it to get bitter. Some cumin, nice, fresh, smells perfect. Some salt. Some smoked paprika, which is super essential for Turkish style of cabbage. For the color, for the taste, for the smoke and everything. I'm gonna add like 2 pinches of brown sugar, or just any sugar, to balance the flavors, to balance the acid and everything, and add the cabbage. This is quarter of a middle cabbage. It might seem too much to you, but they're going to shrink quite a lot as they cook. In this step, without mixing them all together, I am going to add some hot water, half a cup of hot water, let's say, and I am going to close the lid and wait until the cabbage shrinks a little, and then I'm going to give them a stir, so it will be way more comfortable and clean for the kitchen in that way, because they're not going to spread around. Now I think I can mix it. Another half a cup of water, so totally only 1 cup of hot water, and leave it alone for 30 minutes. It's been around 30-35 minutes, so let's see if it's done. It looks pretty much done to me. As you can see, there isn't a lot of excess water, but if yours has a lot of excess water after this time, then you can continue cooking it for an extra 10 minutes with the lid open to vaporize the excess water. After it cools down a little, we can serve it. I like to serve it with some Turkish yogurt or Greek yogurt and 1 slice of toasted bread. So we are done now. If you like this recipe, for more of like this, you can subscribe to my channel for free. Also, if you'd like to get a notification when I post a new video, you can click on the bell underneath. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.